What is up? Okay, so we got a little example action going on. So let's example solve it. It says a student reads 170 pages in 4 days. Cute. All right, the student reads 50 pages on Monday, 44 on Tuesday. On Wednesday and Thursday, the student reads an equal number of pages. Which of these expressions can be used to determine how many pages the student read on Wednesday? Well, let's look at it, okay? We've got 170 pages total, and we know that on Monday they read 50, Tuesday they read 44, Wednesday we read X, and then Thursday they read X, which that's insinuating those are the same number because they read on Wednesday and Thursday the student reads an equal number of pages. Okay, I'm assuming that means that they're equal to each other, not equal to the previous pages. That doesn't make sense. There's not a math problem there. It's just a pattern. We're not doing inductive reasoning, so get a grip, bro. Okay, so we want to work this problem. Okay, essentially it is 170 equals our 50 plus 44 plus that's not a plus sign, plus x, which we know is 2x. So 170 equals 50 plus 44 plus 2x. Okay? Now let's say we wanted to solve it. Okay, let's say we wanted x by itself. What we would do is I would simplify these two. That's 94. 170 equals 94 plus 2x. And then we subtract 94 from both sides and get 76 over here. And then plus equals 2x, not plus, equals 2x, and then opposite of divide, multiply by 2 is divide, and so we're left with 38. So 38 equals x, all right, which is what we said Wednesday is, so 38 would give you your answer. That's how many there were. Now, they didn't want the answer. Now, did they, boss? Nope. They wanted the equation that fits that. All right, well, let's look at it. 170 divided by 4. What that would do is it would split all 4 days and make them equal because it would split it into 4 chunks. Are these all equal? No. We know that 2 of the days aren't equal at all. So therefore, it's not A. That's not correct. Okay? Now, I'm going to start this. I don't know why I didn't mark it out. Let's look at B. Okay, what we're doing is we're taking 44, which is one of the days, dividing it by 2, and then multiplying it by 170. That's nonsense. That doesn't make any sense at all. So no, not B either. Okay, let's look at C. All right, so you got 44 plus 50. That looks good. Okay, looks good. We could do 44 plus 50, and then you're dividing by 4. I don't know why you're taking Monday and Tuesday's numbers, dividing it by 4, and then getting it subtracted from 170. That doesn't make sense either. There's no logic there. And then the last one, please be our saving grace. 170 minus those 2 days, which is great because you're splitting it up and you've got the amount, however many days there are, you've got that left. So you've got that to split between your last 2 days. But then they put 4 there. So it doesn't make any sense because you've already got 4 days. They're reading it over 4 days. And then you're splitting it by 4. That doesn't make sense because you're taking out 2 of the days. Why divide it by 4? That's 6 days. So it looks like all these are wrong. Now, that's not good. But if you're in the middle of the test, you can't subpoena your teacher. What I would do is, we already figured out it's 38, right? Let's just see which one of these works out to equal 38. And that might be our answer. So 170 divided by 4, that's 42.5. That's not right. Okay, 42.5. Let's try it. I'm going to write it red. 42.5. Okay. Our next one would be 44 divided by 2 is 22. And then 170 divided by 22, what is that, like 5? Would be 110, 6, 7 point something. That's dumb. I'm not even going to entertain that answer. Okay, this one, we got 94. Add these two together, it's 94 divided by 4, which is 1, 2, it would be 20. Crud, I should have paused it or something. It's 23.5, I think. And then 170 minus 23.5, which would be like 146.5, maybe, somewhere like that. Okay, it's a lot. Okay, and then this last one, 170 minus 94, which would be, what did I say, 76 last time, divided by 4, which would be 1, and then 18. Honestly, this one's the closest, but that's all stupid because none of this is right unless I've misread the question. So that's how you'd solve it, which is useful for people. This is not correct answers, which is dumb. If I had to guess, I'd guess this one because it's the closest. This one looks the closest to being correct. It looks like that should be a 2. So you know what? I'd pick A or D and just tell my teacher that that's dumb. But they probably didn't know because they probably didn't read it. They just looked it up. It happens. If you could get a chance, really appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I've also got, all that social media junk, if that's still around, if it's not the future. You can check me out on Instagram. I'm at Tyler Tarver, Facebook, whatever. And then Twitter. You hit me up any questions you want. Toodles.